Hey guys, Caesar here with Easy DIY Tech. We're going to be removing the engine covers for a M52, a BMW M52 or M54 engine. It's the same on either one of those engines. This one specifically here is a 2000 model M52 B25 TU. It's a 2.5 liter out of a 2000 BMW 323 Ci. So to remove these covers, all you got to do is you're just going to pop these little covers off of here. There's 4 of them, 2 on each individual cover. So just pop them off. And right underneath there will be 10mm nuts and 10mm bolts. You just take these guys out. This top cover, you'll just slide it right on out. It actually slides into, it has a little hook underneath. That'll slide into this section here. So you have to lift up the front end and slide it out. And to remove the this other cover here, you'll remove your oil filler. You'll just lift it up and out of the way. Make sure you put that oil filler back on so you don't get any dirt or anything inside the engine.